This is genuine water. Open a new era healing only with water. Nexus. Approximately 70% of the element comprising a human body is water. The life and death of a human, namely the entire course from birth to death, is the course of losing water in a body gradually. Water decreases as you get older. Statistics show that a newborn baby contains 80% water, and children 70%, while adults 60%, and the elderly only 50%. The older you are, the less water you have in your body. Therefore, it goes without saying that drinking good water is very important. Body fluids are slightly alkaline, and the human body tries to keep itself slightly alkaline all the time. However, most foods we intake acidify our body, which it tries to keep alkaline. Acidification of the human body directly leads to aging in various diseases. The substance aging a human body is active oxygen, which takes electrons away from healthy cells, causing genetic damage, and leaves virulence in a human body. The reason why hard and solid iron gets rusty is because active oxygen sticks to and acidifies it. The high reactivity of active oxygen attacks DNA produced by cells and accelerates aging and disease of a body. However, active hydrogen abundantly contained in Nexus alkaline ionized water combines with active oxygen to turn it into H2O and removes active oxygen. Dr. Shirahata at Genetic Engineering Lab of Kyushu University in Japan, which Nexus has a scientific interchange partnership with, has proved a hypothesis through his experiment that active hydrogen in alkaline ionized water removes active oxygen. The research paper of Dr. Shirahata, where the said experiment results can be found, is reported on BBRC, a renowned international biochemistry learned journal, and demonstrates its credibility. Nexus signed an agreement on scientific interchange and partnerships and is now in the process of joint research on healing effects of alkaline ionized water. Nexus has visited Dr. Shirahata's lab with Korea's authoritative doctors and joined the lecture on his research and seminar attentively.
알칼리 환원수에 대한 체험을 하였습니다. 물속에 포함된 활성 수소가 활성산소를 제거하는 직접적인 항산화작용을 일으킨다는 이론을 처음 주창하신 분입니다. 물속에 포함된 활성수소가 활성산소를 제거하여 당뇨, 아토피성 피부물 치료하는 경험을 실험실 내에서 증명하였습니다.
Nexus is now cooperating for the optimum application of Dr. Shirahata's alkaline ionized water theory into Nexus's water ionizer.
우리가 일반적으로 알고 있는 암이나 당뇨병 그리고 아토피 피부염은 활성산소라는 것에 의해서 유발되는 것이 거의 대부분입니다. 즉, 암 같은 경우에는 우리 몸속에 수많은 활성산소가 생겨서 그것에 의해서 세포나 아니면 이제 다른 것을 갖다 자극해서 발암인자를 만들어냅니다. 그 발암인자는 산화라는 것에 산화에 의한 활성산소에 생기는 것인데 그 반대로 산화의 반대는 우리가 환원이라고 합니다. 즉 쉽게 설명해가지고서 우리 새가 있을 때 녹이 쓴다고 생각합시다. 그 녹이 쓰는 것을 갖다가 우리가 산화라고 얘기합니다. 그 반대의 작용, 즉 을 제거하는 것을 갖다가 우리가 환원이라고 얘기합니다. 알칼리 수라는 것은 이 환원 작용이 강한 수소 이온을 많이 풍부한 좋은 물입니다. 즉 산화의 반대인 환원을 시킴으로써 우리 몸에 생기는 발암 물질을 제거하고 또한 암에서 생기는 암 인자를 갖다 없애는 것이 가장 중요한 역할이라고 하겠습니다.
KBS Secrets to Life and Death and Busan MBC Truth about life-saving water show excellence of alkalized water through various experiments with Nexus's water ionizer is introduced and actually used. Experiment on effects of alkaline ionized water was conducted with 40,000 chicks. Those chicks were first divided into two groups, 20,000 per group respectively, and then given same fodder but different types of water. After 1 month, about 1,000 out of 20,000 chicks given underground water fell dead, showing a 94.5 survival rate. While those given alkaline ionized water show comparably high survival rates of 99.3%. The average body weight of those given alkaline ionized water was greater than that of the other group. Next, we carried out an experiment on feasibility of blood sugar control using rats and raised the blood sugar levels themselves. Likewise, same fodder and different types of water were provided for 2 months respectively. After 2 months, we checked the blood sugar and triglyceride cholesterol levels. As to blood sugar level, it was found that the blood sugar control of alkaline ionized water is about 34% more effective than normal water. About triglyceride and cholesterol levels, it is the control effect, which was much superior to the normal water. This proves that alkaline ionized water not only controls blood sugar levels, but also works for various geriatric diseases, such as sclerosis of the arteries. Besides, in experiment on anti-cancer activity, the size of a tumor was considerably smaller. Nexus and Natural Medicine Center of Hanso University made the very first clinical experiment in Korea on patients with diabetes to prove healing effects of alkaline ionized water. The research center selected Nexus's alkaline ionized water as water to be used for the experiment. The volunteers who suffer from diabetes participated in this experiment, having one last hope.
우리도 생활인인데 이 고칠 수 있다고는 그 얘기를 듣고 다 만사 시켜놓고 왔어요. 믿어보려고. 예.
좀 심했다, 또 신경 쓰면 좀 심했다, 또 그러지 않으면 한 250.
Patients were divided into two groups. One stopped insulin injection and drank alkaline ionized water only. The other kept insulin injections and treatments at the hospital without drinking alkaline ionized water. After the fixed experiment duration, we found that the first group, which drank alkaline ionized water only without insulin injection, shows lower and blood sugar levels.
화색이 그전보다는 나아졌다고 그래요. 사람들이 나가면 아우 그전에는 그랬는데 이뻐졌네? 그래요. 그래서 그것이 다르더라고요.
그 약 먹었을 때 그 수치 그거보다도 좀 더 내려갔다고 하는 게 제가 날마다 그 손을 체크해 가면서 그걸 눈으로 보니까 그 체크한 숫자를 그게 변한 거라고 얘기할 수 있죠.
In Japan, well known as a country of longevity, special hospitals using alkaline ionized water have been thriving a driving trade already for the past 20 years. At Kyowa Hospital in Japan, even the patients who are about to have their arms and legs cut off because of diabetic necrosis are being healed now as they take alkaline ionized water. Also, all the foods provided to them are cooked by alkalized ionized water too.
神経がギンギンギンギン、もうこの痛さっていう神経の方が痛かった。
今はどうですかね。
もう収まりました。もう痛み止めも全然もうね、夜だけしか飲んでないですわ。昼も飲んでます。時々
絶対に必要である水がいわゆる酸化力を持った水しかないと。私たちが手に入れることができる水はほとんど酸化力を持った水であるということになると思います。ですからその水を還元力を持った水に変えますと、今申し上げた活性酸素が体の中で。
Kyowa Hospital, which signed an exchanged agreement on a medical partnership with Nexus, has accumulated tens of thousands of clinical cases of alkaline ionized water treatments for the past 16 years. Nexus's researchers and doctors in Korea heard such successful cases from Mr. Kawamura, director of Kyowa Hospital, discuss together and keep continuous medical interchange and cooperation relationship with Kyowa Hospital. According to clinical addresses made by Mr. Kawamura, patients with hepatitis C, ulcerative colitis, atopic dermatitis as well as diabetic necrosis have been being healed by alkalized ionized water.
2개월 정도 지났는데도 저 상태였습니다. 그것도 피부가 모두 저렇게 심하게.
네, 거래가 3ヶ月後にまだ
3개월 후에
少しだけ良くなったけど、そんなにね。
조금
これはもうかゆみと痛みと、それから夜眠れません。
밤에 잠도 잘 수도 없고 가렵고요.
で、8月
8월 달에
少しね、4ヶ月後に
4개월 후에 저 상태가 됐습니다.
At Akashi Hospital, serious dermatitis is treated by both alkaline ionized water and acidic water.